Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickBooks Online for sales tracking and forecasting step by step clearly. To activate QuickBooks Online for sales tracking and forecasting, first, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Sales. In the Sales menu, select Products and Services. Now, click on New to add a new product or service. Choose whether you're adding a product, service, or bundle. Fill in the necessary details such as name, sales price, and income account. If applicable, check the box for Track Quantity on Hand to manage inventory. Click Save and Close to finalize your product or service. Next, go back to the Sales menu and select Invoices. Click on New Invoice to create your first invoice. Select a customer from your list or add a new customer if needed. Add the products and services you created earlier to the invoice. Once everything is filled out, click Save and Send to send the invoice. To set up forecasting, navigate to the Reports section from the left sidebar. In Reports, search for Sales by Product/Service. Select this report to analyze sales patterns. Customize the date range to fit your forecasting needs. After generating the report, review sales trends and make notes for forecasting. For deeper insights, consider integrating your QuickBooks Online with a forecasting tool. This will enhance your ability to predict future sales based on historical data. Finally, regularly revisit and adjust your products and services as your business evolves. By following these steps, you can effectively activate and utilize QuickBooks Online for sales tracking and forecasting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.